Hi, I'm Bill. This is FlatBroke Garage, and just want to make a short video here, kind of show you how to. You got to pay attention to ordering parts and stuff, even though parts say they're right. Even they're not always right. Whether it's somebody put something in the wrong box or made in China, I don't know, But I want to show you something here. I getting the Cyclone together here, and final stages, getting my drive shaft in. And got my U-joint ordered, and let me show you here. There we go. All right. Where is it? So, here's our U-joint. I mean, it looks good. It's all seated in. Part numbers, I've double-checked, triple-checked. The part number on the box is the part number in Moog and Rock Auto and everything. All the part numbers that are say that this is the actual U-joint for the car. So let me see if I can get my thing to stand here. I don't know if you can really see this, but kind of pay attention here. Let's see if it'll. Ready? Can you see that? Look how much slop there is in there. Now, I don't know. Like I said, if somebody put this in a wrong box, but that's not good. I mean, I just don't know. I mean, I'm glad I caught it because it fits right in. But man, if you got going, this is like death. This thing come apart on you and smash the whole back end of the car up. So, I guess what I'm saying is just pay attention and double and triple check, because I have had the worst luck on this car with trying to get the right parts. So, hang in there, be safe, and thanks for watching.